Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the black screen on Facebook Reels. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. This is the most common error on Facebook, that once you're using the Facebook Reels, you're watching them and you suddenly get that black screen, and how to fix that. So first thing you need to do is hold on the Facebook app and click on that I button on the left side. Once you do that, this interface will appear. From here, tap on storage at the very top, and at the bottom tap on clear data. Click on clear cache and click on OK. Once you do that, as you can see, the cache memory has been cleared. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. Make sure that the Facebook app is updated. If not, update it first. And that's it. If it still doesn't work, just refresh the Facebook app and re-log in, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.